But I can't go outside.
Bro, if we gathered memory cards, we gotta go outside, bro. Seriously.
Stop calling me, bro.
Bro, let's finish this. But
LCG gang, what's poppin' with y'all?
what's up, YouTube?
What's good? We back again with another banger, you feel me?
Oh, you gotta say that a little bit more hot.
With another banger.
That's so like back with another banger. Like bang.
No,
like banger. You know?
We back at it with another banger.
That is not a banger. How could you say banger?
Cause I'm not talking loud. But
Well, come on, let's get into it. Back at it with
banger.
another. How you gonna still do it like that?
That's just
come on, do it. All right, I know. Come on, do it. Reverse.
What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another mother banger. You feel me?
Well, we gotta edit all of that out.
We gotta edit that out. Okay. Now we back at it with another banger.
Okay, we gonna take that little banger.
I'm dry. That's just
Wait. It don't matter what it just is. You gotta kind of spice it up a little bit.
I'm just letting them know that's me.
Okay, but a banger. Come on now, y'all know y'all seen him do banger a lot of different ways.
Back at it another game with another banger. You feel me?
All right, we could take that banger.
Like swimwear.
I was gonna kind of take the last one because this is kind of just a little mukbang, so we can kind of do a banger like that little last one you did. You just did a good one though.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna take that banger. Tell them stop playing, man. Stop playing with y'all.
I know I'm a dry person. Like this is me though. Like everything, not everything about me, but my personality is dry. So I'm very unpredictable too, and that's why I like about myself. People don't know what I'm capable of. She don't even know what I'm capable of. Like, I'm so low key, so quiet,
bro.
Like, relaxed,
bro.
And like, but how y'all did on this quarantine? You feel me? This little quarantine that everybody's been on. I know it's just, well, I'm gonna say about 2 days ago. That's when it started to get to me. Like the day after my birthday, I think. It's really started to get to me now. I really need to get outside. In these 4 walls. All day, every day. It's not the business.
I just really
I'm losing my appetite though over this. Like, I don't even eat that much no more either. Like, it's crazy. I really need to get out. Like, they really need to release this.
I mean, yeah. I'm ready for this to be over. I am.
I'm really ready.
I don't even like kicking it all outside or doing all of that. It's just
me kicking outside. I can't even barely go outside to get fresh air, just to walk around. Like that.
Y'all be like, hey, why you going outside? You're gonna smell And he be like, I'm not outside.
I've been looking all one of those.
Y'all. Thing about man-made diseases though, is all they gotta do is stop it. Stop what they put out.
Or it's a superhero that got the superpower to stop it. Like on the move. So
Y'all.
this is quarantine for y'all, but what y'all been doing out there on y'all little quarantine, you know?
Man, like they about to talk to us.
Well, y'all can't, but y'all just let niggas know.
They can talk to us. They just be acting funny acting.
Yeah, I be on the game.
Y'all better start commenting down below.
It get boring real fast.
Like seriously, comment down below.
Please do comment. Yes.
Stop playing. Y'all better
Like
stop
I
commenting.
said, I don't even want to eat this right now. I really been losing my appetite over this quarantine stuff. It's not even just going outside, it's just like your life though. Like, you just get your life in the case.
Bro. Eat your food, bro.
I'm gonna eat it probably later though. Right now, I don't have the appetite for nothing to eat.
Bro.
Quarantine. 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 Messed up my birthday. I couldn't even do nothing on my birthday. Nothing. Well, couldn't go nowhere. Let me say that. I wanted to go somewhere.
Bro.
Bro, what? I thought you should have
Don't take with that. Stop with the depressing stories. Seriously, bro.
Alright, bro.
You done with the depressing story?
Yeah. He's gonna solve the problem.
Go outside. And what, go outside?
Yeah. I know I ain't the only one.
Yeah, of course everybody just want to get outside, but you gotta be safe, y'all. Might as well hurry up and make this end, you feel me?
A whole month though?
I know.
We still in the beginning.
I know. That's what sucks. Like a whole, ooh, child. We only on the second day.
Bruh, don't even say that. Oh, goodness.
Bro, don't call me bro, for real.
What?
Don't call me bro.
I call you bro, but you call me bro.
Bro?
Same thing, bro. Bruh.
This Chipotle is just a little bit dry. I'm really not all the way good in there. I had bought some people lunch today.
Ooh.
This one dude. And one of the person have said they wanted Chipotle. And I was like, ooh, Chipotle. Sounds good. And it made me think of Chipotle. What, bro?
That's it?
Yeah.
I'm kind of lost in the sauce.
Awkward.
Yeah, very awkward. That was awkward.
Y'all, but this month is April. Ugh.
Quarantine month. Can't even do that.
This is so ridiculous. That rice is like stuck together and hard and stuff. Like, that's ridiculous. There's like 2 people up in there. No, I'm not gonna. It was dead. But that's how it should be. So we can get over this stuff. I really just miss working out.
I miss going to the gym too, man.
Yeah, I want to hit some weights. It's like
I just miss that atmosphere, man. Like just being in there. I miss working out too, but it's just the atmosphere.
Weights is basically my therapy, y'all. So I use that for my relaxed, calm, like, you know, you gotta do a counselor, all that type of stuff. Lifting weights helped me with that part of my life, like, so much. So I honestly, do it help you? Like, in some type of way? You know, like, keep you calm, help with stuff, lifting weights?
I want to say lifting weights, probably punching bag.
Oh, okay. Mine is like the weightlifting.
Weightlifting and stuff like that. Working out.
Weightlifting helps me though. So that's what I really miss. I miss the weightlifting part.
Punching bag, different story.
And
Just imagine somebody's face on there, or that's their body, or that's the person. Go to business on them.
ridiculous. Yeah, I just gotta, mine's just that weightlifting, y'all. When I'm doing leg workouts and all that, it helped me. Now I'm just doing my little ab workouts and stuff at the house. That don't really help. That's just a little one too. And another thing that it did to me, I want Marley to graduate from kindergarten. Wear a little gown thing and stuff.
Oh yeah, I heard nobody graduating this year.
Yeah, they is. They just switched the dates out because they had run my mom with his new graduation dates and prom dates and stuff yesterday. They gave 2 different dates just in case it's postponed.
They just said everybody got to restart.
Maybe Cleveland Public.
Cleveland Public. What that supposed to mean? Y'all all the same. We all Ohio.
Damn, maybe you heard that from Cleveland.
She always do like this Cleveland and Bedford stuff. Like it's all one for real. To me, it's all one. But like, come on. But yeah,
They not on our level.
Cleveland is like
I'm just
different.
saying.
You know, up here, like what they say.
It is a lot different. That's what I'm saying. Maybe it really is Cleveland Public that can't do that.
That's crazy. If it just is Cleveland. You know what I'm saying? Like niggas wasn't gonna graduate anyway, so y'all might as well just restart. Like, come on.
Bro.
What?
Why are you looking at me?
Why you keep calling me that?
Eat your food.
I'm not that hungry. I'm really not that hungry. Like, I know you've been seeing it the last couple days. I'm crazy right now.
It's gonna be okay, bro. Why did you keep
Why you keep calling me bro? I don't even say bro. I say bruh. You sound like a white girl. Bro. Like, who says bro?
I say it. Now all of a sudden something wrong.
All of a sudden, since you just came from somewhere, you saying bro. I'm bro.
I didn't come from nowhere but to get the food.
Yeah. Yeah,
So, what are you doing today?
well, what I'm doing today is I'm, you know what I'm saying, in the house. And see, I probably might as well just stay on this camera all day, for real, to be honest. I'll just sit here all day. And, but yeah, I ain't doing nothing. You know, I ain't doing nothing. Play the game. If y'all got a PlayStation, y'all can add me, smooth_vision74. You know, I ain't doing nothing. It's too boring. And I don't even want to play a game. I have to keep getting on and off the game. Like, I don't know what I want to do. I need to go get my punching bag stand. And real talk, I need to get my punching bag stand so I get my bag.
Bro, where did you gonna put that?
Stop calling me bro, man.
Where did you gonna put that for real?
Downstairs. It's a stand.
Really, bro?
Yeah, you put-
No, seriously, bro. I'm
Bruh,
serious.
stop calling me
No,
that.
I'm serious. I am serious.
Downstairs what, bro?
Where is you gonna put that?
Downstairs in the basement.
You're not gonna go down there.
I know, I be down there every day.
Cause it gotta hang off the wall, don't it?
No, it's a stand. It's stand all the way up. It's a whole stand.
Bro, you is fried.
You fried. So funny. Well, y'all, as y'all see what I'm dealing with on this quarantine month, this is what I go through every day or night.
Go to the actor.
So we just chilling, nothing to do. But that's what y'all, you feel me?
And y'all might as well, like I said, start commenting down below, because if y'all not gonna be commenting down below, I'm switching like these. Usually when it's kid friendly and stuff, it has no comments. I have to make it adult wise for comments, y'all. So y'all better start talking to us. Basically, if it's kids can watch, they don't allow you to have comments. If it's only for adults, you can have a comment section. So sometimes I put it on adults, sometimes I put it on kids, because it's like, you ain't about to be talking. Might as well let the whole world, let kids and adults see.
That's new.
It's like a last year, couple months type of thing, when they switched the thing.
I didn't know that though.
Yeah, kind of do. That's why our family page, if y'all don't follow our family page, make sure y'all do Love Cocker's Family. It has only that comment section. It don't have a comment section on our family page. Can't nobody comment on that page since it started.
Yeah, so.
Then I want to do.
I need some diapers. Let me see that.
Bro.
What? Keep calling me fucking bro.
Yeah, I'm just saying, why you always back here, bro? Seriously.
I'm trying to get some back support. You
Bro,
got she keep it alive. You got some harmony drops? You made taking 8 edible? Good boy stuff.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I can't.
You got some liquor?
No.
Need some. Can't even go get that.
Bro.
What?
Don't talk like that, bro. Seriously.
Don't talk to me like that, bro. Like, come on, man. What is all you keep laughing? Come to gang.
I'm with the gang. I'm with the mom. I'm with the thinking.
That's how it is when they put it. You always leave too long.
Hey. Alright, bro. You got anything else?
No, I don't know.
What's wrong?
Chilling. I'm just bored, man. Bored of quarantining. I wish y'all would call it off early.
It would be nice, bro. It really would. That really would be nice. Why do you keep looking at me like that? Why do you keep
calling me bro? Who was you around?
Who's that? What do you mean? Who was I around? But call you bro?
Yeah.
It's just a word I use.
My bros don't even call me bro. So who was you around? That's what I'm saying.
If it's a word I use, you can't be mad for a word I use.
You haven't been using this word.
How? Yes, I have. I always use bro.
Bro, you don't.
Stupid camera.
Camera, my dad. Well, yeah.
Ran out of memory. We gonna actually get some more memory cards so we can start, because we're gonna be like recording with y'all all April. So we should definitely grab some memory cards.
We definitely gonna need some, like, for real.
Yeah.
But I can't go outside.
Bro, if we gathered memory cards, we gotta go outside, bro. Seriously.
Stop calling me, bro.
Bro, let's finish this. But these batteries is acting so. And the crazy thing about it is, Houston, my other what was it in there? The other little charge to keep our battery charged was in that purse that they took in Houston. I thought the batteries was too, but the battery, it wasn't.
Well, at least you got the batteries.
Yeah, at least we still have the battery, but we got one little charge thing. So I think, like I was saying though, I was saying that we're going to upload literally every day. And if we wasn't gonna do every day, we're gonna definitely, I want to do every day, but I think that we're gonna make a schedule with y'all if we don't, to where y'all know our upload dates and times and the days and things like that. So we need y'all to talk to us and let us know, you know, like what type of videos y'all want. If y'all want daily videos or this or that, you know, like just chop it up with us, y'all.
Chop it.
Stop playing.
Messenger, you know, comments, you read comments. So, so yeah, we're gonna get it right back at y'all.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Period, bro. You feel me? So yeah.
Calling me, bro. For real. Stop laughing. Stop calling me out. You make it seem like to them like you just be calling me, bro.
Bro, like this dude is. Bro, what is you doing, bro?
You don't listen, bro.
What is you doing, bro? You can't end our video like that, bro. Bro, this bro is crazy, man. Bro, come here. Alright, come here, Marcel, for real. I quit. Come here, I quit. Come here, Marcel.
You call me that, then I'm gonna start treating you like a bro.
No, it was
talking to you like you.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
That's all, bro.
It was one of those little pranks, though. Calling you bro. Call my boyfriend or my husband bro. Come on, bro. I mean, come on.
Stop calling me that.
Come on. I think I got used to calling him bro now. I don't know.
No.
I think I did get used to calling you bro, because I didn't even know. Okay.
If you don't like it, if I be like, nigga.
Don't do that.
Right, cool.
You ain't calling me none of that. Like, period. That's, and that's period. Like, on that. That's just that on that. But y'all, we about to we about to get ready to wrap this video up. At least I got my little prank done in the midst of our Chipotle mukbang, which actually just having a little mukbang, little dry, little talk, little mukbang with y'all. And I just wanted to put a little twist to it, a little bit of extraness to it. Extra, read all about it. And like I said, we're gonna be dropping, and I actually want, what, bro? I'm just we're gonna be doing like a giveaway and things with y'all too, but we want our giveaway to be like really genuine with people that actually watch us and subscribe and, you know, sometimes talk to us and things like that nature. So really start engaging with us, you know, y'all. Start commenting, talking. We don't bite at all. We are very friendly bulldogs. So so just engage with us, and yeah, we got that coming soon. I know that it's a lot of people going through some things and stuff, but yeah, we'll talk about that in another video. But we love y'all.
Bye bye.
Bye bye for now. See you guys in the next video.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day.
No copyrighted.
Yeah, this was only 2 words. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So you?
Yes, bro.
Stop calling me.